Welcome back to Map Instinct. Today we'll be looking at digitizing, and then we'll be digitizing out the point features, the line features, and also the polygon features that we've already created in the last video. If you want to learn how to create your shape files, check the link in the description below. Alright, today we're going to digitize our various features. And before you digitize, you must have created your shape files. So we're going to digitize the point features. This will be the first aspect of our digitizing. So our point feature that we'll be digitizing is the settlements. We're going to digitize all the settlements from this map. These are the settlements in black points, these ones. So we're going to digitize a number of settlements from this map. Alright, let's begin. We're going to activate our editor toolbar because you need to activate that before you can begin. Right click on an empty space here on the menu toolbar. Just right click and then scroll down till you see your editor. Click on it, and then you now head over to the first option which says editor, start editing. But if you don't want to go this way, you can just head over to your layers, that's the settlement layer, right click on it, and then select edit features and click on start editing. Alright, this shows up here, create features. It showed up here on the right of the screen. If you've clicked on your start editing and then you don't see this showing up here and you want it to show up here, you can head over to your editor toolbar and then check the last option button on the toolbar which says create features and click on it. It's going to show up here. So I'm going to click on this to auto hide. Alright, since it's the point features, the settlements that we're dealing with, you need to select this. Make sure you click on this and then look down, head down, you see construction tools. You now select point. Click on point. Make sure you do these two things. So once you've done that, you can see that the cursor has changed. You can see the point on the arrow of the cursor. So now you now zoom in. Let's hide this. You zoom into the features that you want to digitize. Alright. You just simply click on each of the features and that's all. Click on the features, these point features. Select all the points that you want to digitize. Remember, you cannot digitize without your map being georeferenced. If you do that without your map being georeferenced, your map or your digitized features will not fall in place. They will not be able to superimpose on the map. So you take your time to digitize all the points that you want to. All right, we've made some selections. We've selected digitize some of these points from this map, and that's all. It's as simple as that. So to make your work effective, make sure you have an external mouse that you're working with. Don't work with your inbuilt mouse. This will make you to be faster and also more flexible. So make sure you get an external mouse. And that is it. It's as simple as that. Once you're done with all the digitizing, you now head over to your editor toolbar and then click on the editor and then select save edit, or you can click on stop edit and then it will ask you if you want to save your edits, and then you click on yes. Do you want to save your edits? Say yes, because if you click on no, all your digitizing will be erased. So once you're done, you can close your editor toolbar and this now stays. You can now uncheck the base map, so you can see this is your, or these are your digitized points. These are the settlements that you've extracted from your map. So it means that you already have the settlement shapefile for this map. So you can check and uncheck. Alright, that is it. The next video will be showing you how to digitize the line features, the linear features. We'll try to extract the roads, some of the roads from this base map, and then you see how that can be done effectively. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.